Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Maria with Brianna's Braids and I have Brianna with me today and we want to show you a super easy hairstyle, double-edged Chinese staircase. So let me turn you around. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. I started off by having the hair in high ponytail and now split the ponytail in half and I will clip the left side of the ponytail out of the way for now. On the right side, pick up a small section of the hair and that will be your working strand. Smooth it out and now I'm putting the strand of hair behind the ponytail, over the ponytail and through that little loop. Again, add the small piece of the hair from the ponytail to your working strand and put the strand behind the ponytail, over ponytail and through the loop. One more time, take a small section of the hair from the ponytail, add it to your working strand and put it behind the ponytail, over and through the loop. And we continue making the same move throughout the whole ponytail. Once I start getting the little hairs sticking out, I will start using the spray gel just to smooth everything out. So again, add the small section of the hair from the ponytail to your working strand, put the strand behind the ponytail, over ponytail and through the loop. Continue all the way down. Here I have a little piece of hair that's too short to be working with, so I'm just separating it and adding it into my big ponytail. So now pick up a small section of the hair and add it to your working strand. I'm spraying some spray gel to keep the hair nice and smooth. Create a loop by threading the strand under the ponytail, over the ponytail and through the loop. And continue going. So if you do have some short hairs, you could just add them inside the ponytail. I will continue with the braid until I reach the neck. Intimacy is all I need from you to me. So now that I've reached the neck, this will be my final stitch and I will tie the braid with an elastic. Same steps on the other side. Pick up a small section of the hair, but now it'll be on the left side instead of right. Smooth it out and now thread your strand behind the ponytail, over the ponytail and through the loop. Again, small section of the hair from the ponytail, add it to the strand and thread the strand behind the ponytail, over ponytail and through the loop. So the same exact steps that we did on the other side, but now we are working with the left side of the ponytail. So again, I'm creating the loop by threading the hair behind the ponytail, over the ponytail and through the loop. I will continue until the braid reaches the neck. my braids, I will secure the braid with an elastic and now combine both of the braids and secure them together with an elastic. To hide the orange elastic, I will take a small piece of the hair from the ponytail, wrap it around the braid, and tie it with the clear elastic in the end. Let's do a final spin. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorials are being released. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video I will link down in the description box below, and we will see you next time with another tutorial. Bye!